If you're thinking about investing in PortPro, you're probably wondering what makes it stand out from the competition. With so many options available, choosing the right software for your business can be overwhelming. In this video, I'll give you 7 key things you need to know before buying PortPro. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end. There's a valuable bonus that could save you time and money. First things first, PortPro is a powerful software designed to streamline operations in the trucking and logistics industry. But what sets it apart from other platforms? PortPro is known for its user-friendly interface, designed to simplify the often complex workflows in port and terminal operations. Compared to competitors like TruckerPath and FreightWaves, PortPro delivers a more seamless experience, allowing users to manage everything from dispatch to payments all in one place. Next thing to consider is its integration capabilities. PortPro integrates with several key software systems, such as TMS, transportation management systems, giving you an edge over other platforms that may require complex workarounds to link up with other software. Whether it's your accounting system or tracking software, PortPro makes sure that everything communicates effectively, which can save your team hours of manual data entry. This is a big plus if you're looking for a hassle-free, scalable solution. The third thing you need to know is about its pricing model. PortPro operates on a subscription-based model, which is transparent and fairly flexible. Unlike some of its competitors, PortPro doesn't lock you into long-term contracts or hidden fees. The cost structure is clear and manageable, making it easier for small to mid-sized businesses to get started without breaking the bank. And the best part? You can actually try PortPro for free from the link below. This gives you a risk-free chance to see if it's the right fit for your business needs. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the customer support. This is often where software companies fall short, but PortPro excels. It offers 24/7 support via phone and email, and their team is known for being responsive and helpful. This is a crucial point because any downtime in your operations can directly affect your revenue, and having reliable support ensures that issues are resolved quickly, keeping your business running smoothly. Now let's talk about PortPro's mobile app. While some of its competitors only offer limited mobile features, PortPro provides a full suite of tools for mobile users, giving you access to dispatch, tracking, and documentation directly from your smartphone. This makes it easier for truckers and managers on the go to stay connected and on top of things. It's a great advantage if you want to improve operational efficiency while keeping everything accessible and up to date in real time. The sixth thing you need to consider is PortPro's reporting and analytics capabilities. The platform provides detailed reporting tools that allow you to analyze every part of your operations, from freight costs to delivery times. This level of insight is crucial for identifying areas for improvement and optimizing your logistics operations. Many competitors fall short in this department, offering only basic reports that don't give you a complete picture of your business's performance. And finally, PortPro offers customization options that allow you to tailor the software to fit your specific needs. Whether it's adding custom workflows or adjusting user roles, PortPro gives you flexibility that many other logistics platforms simply can't match. This is a huge selling point if you're looking for a solution that grows with your business and adapts to your evolving needs. So if you want to try out PortPro for yourself, be sure to click the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to the best free trial, but you'll also unlock some exclusive benefits that will make your experience even better. In summary, PortPro is an incredibly solid option for businesses in the logistics and trucking industry with standout features like seamless integrations, mobile access, and strong customer support. But what really sets it apart is the flexibility and the transparent pricing model, which makes it an excellent choice for companies of all sizes. If you're ready to take your logistics operations to the next level, give PortPro a try. Click the link below to get started.